Hi guys, welcome back to Lemonade Life. Thank you, firstly, thank you so much for supporting my channel and all the love, all the shares, subscribes. Thank you so much for it. Everyone who's new here, please hit that subscribe button. It will really help me boost my channel so that I can make more creative, new content for everyone. So, thank you. And what are we doing today? So, today I am feeling a little nostalgic. Um, I was thinking, I took a trip down the memory lane and I was like, how did I spend my summer? And of course, with all the summer food and fruits and park trips, what else did I do and how did I spend it as a child? And turns out I was this really creative child who used to learn a lot of new types of painting techniques and make drawings and do dance classes, even organize painting classes and dance classes even as a child. So I was like, okay, where is this girl lost? Why am I not doing something like this anymore? Why am I not learning anything new? And so I took this challenge up and I am going to do a diamond painting. So, what is diamond painting? For anyone who doesn't know, I also didn't know. It is you can buy this kit on Amazon or you can buy it from any local stationery shops around your house. These are very popular currently, and you should be able to find something. You can even buy it for your kids. It comes in like a small size or a really big painting if you want to spend good time on it. So there are multiple sizes available. I have bought like a regular, I think it's a 10 by 12 size canvas, and it has numbers written on it. You can see it here, and you also get like packs of different crystals or beads, whatever you call it. They are also numbered, and so you remove them in a container and you take a pen which they give, and you have to pick them up and you have to drop it on the number, and it sticks. It's a completely sticky sheet, so it sticks on it, and by the end of it you get a beautiful painting. So it's time consuming. I think it's gonna test my patience, and let's see how that goes. I'm a little excited for this because, of course, any kind of painting, any kind of artwork that you study, or anything new that you're trying to do earlier, first thing it will do is test your patience. And it's been quite some time that I tried something new and, like test myself with it. I have a long weekend, so why not take this opportunity and spend it into making something creative and fun? So let's do this. So there is a tool available which I did not know about, which allows you to pick up more than one bead at a go. And I just managed to fashion one for myself, and that sort of enhanced the process, and I could do it quicker. After 3 days and almost spending 3 to 4 hours minimum every day, it's ready. So it please do this. Please do this exercise. Not just diamond painting. Like do an activity that takes you back to your school days where you don't know what you're doing. You are just learning the basics of it, and your patience is really testing. You're testing your patience again and again. Please do this exercise because by the end of it, it is so rewarding. And making this painting took me back to that time where, you know, you spend hours cutting that paper, and you spend hours getting the lines right and finishing the coloring book carefully and slowly so that no lines are out of the boundary. So it really felt that at one point. And I put on my 90s and 2000 music jam. It was the best brain spa that I've done in years. And go back to those days when you used to learn. I mean, what, when you were 7, 8 and used to go for swimming, you know, and you didn't know how to do anything and you had to go through the process, or when you were doing a dance class, or when you were learning how to hold a brush, how to hold a pen. This was that activity. I mean, at least the testing of patience was exactly the same. So I hope it was fun. I hope you all can make it work and do something like this. If you have, comment. I would want to know if you have done it. Definitely comment if you're going to try it after watching my video. And thank you so much. See you soon again. Bye bye.